Alright guys, welcome back to the videos and welcome back to the vlogs. It is currently like super late at night. We just got done finishing installing Olin's, not on the Rx8 but on Jason's S2000. So we're heading up to our local toll gate right now just to see what that feels like. I'm sure you guys all hear crazy things about Olin's, right? It's kind of like the gold standard among coilovers. So I'm really excited to see what it feels like for Jason, and maybe he'll give, like, I'll have time to, like, you know, get a little ride in the car as well. Not only are we two going though, we're followed by our new friend my new friend. He's been friend of Jason for a long time now. I just met him, but a new friend of mine, Hugo, in his BMW M3 comp. So, you know, S2000, Rx8, BMW M3 comp. It's a crazy lineup right now. We're just gonna head up to our local toll gate. Not do anything crazy because he is on new coilovers and he needs alignment, but we just really want to see what the Olin's feels like. So I'm hoping this is gonna be a fun time. So yeah, I'm really excited. It's so dark. It's wet here. BMW is like right on me too. Well, he's not right on me, but he's not that far back too. It must be scary, like taking roads like this in a high horsepower car, to be honest. It's pretty scary for me too, to be honest. Oh, that's a... I wonder how the Olin's are feeling. It must feel great. Yeah, the S2000 is quick, guys. This is a new road, honestly, for us, so to go as quick as he is right now. It's fucking crazy. This must be so much scarier in the BMW. BMW behind me anymore. Man, I don't know how well this is popping up on camera, but we have a little bit of fog right now because it's starting to rain. I know I've been mentioning this in my videos, but the weather here in New York has been kind of crazy. A lot of rain, and you know, we have a little bit of fog here, but it honestly just enhances the vibe of the entire drive. This is honestly so much fun. I haven't had this much fun doing a night cruise in a long time, and we are quite literally in the middle of the night right now. It is like 2 something in the morning, right? Just cruising through the night. Man, this is fun. This is fun. I'd be doing the same thing too, not gonna lie sometimes. I don't know where we are right now, but this is a really scenic place. It's like right by all the boats and everything. Yeah, all of these lights as well. I don't know why this bridge reminds me of the bridge from Harry Potter. I don't know if you guys, if you remember. Huh. Is it really a drive with the Rx8 if you don't gotta fill up the car? Out of all 3 cars here, I would have thought that maybe the Beamer also needed gas, but just me. Just the rotary. Second time of the day. This is a norm. I'm not lying when I'm saying the gas station is my second home.
Why are all your cars always dirty? You know, your car, Sean's car, anytime
I don't know, dude. Finally washing the Rx8 after like, I don't know how, but this is why, I'm sorry guys, I got distracted, it's ADHD, right? This is why I don't use this brush for anything but my wheels. Like, you see this on the floor? You know how much dirt this is gathering? I don't know if you can see this, Sean, but this is why I don't ever use the brush.
Wait. So you use that to clean your wheels, right?
Yeah.
Is that why you have curb rash? It's not really curb rash. It's because you brush your wheels.
Yeah.
So that's from the brush. Hey guys, whatever you do, don't use those brushes.
Yeah,
ever.
don't use those brushes. That's how I got this, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't use those brushes ever.
Your black wheels look so fire until you get curb rash.
My car is turning from like a matte red to like a shiny red again.
Yo, Jerry, you missed the spot right on the wheel. There's curb rash there. Just chip the hell out of it here. He's gonna love this video when he looks at it later. Right here. That one's scratched. Right there.
Remember when we came here together to wash our cars?
Yeah.
What a lovely time.
My hands were so dry. We like hand dried this stuff and my hands were like falling apart.
Alright, one day guys, we'll wash our cars again together whenever Sean gets his car. Whether it be a Z, Supra, Miata.
No, that one's not gonna happen.
Camaro.
Like, that one's also not gonna happen.
Viper.
You have a better shot of that than the other ones.
GTR.
And that one also is a better shot than a Miata.
Honda Civic.
Better shot than a Miata still. Probably an Accord, not a Civic.
What? You like Accords better than Civics?
Yeah, a bit.
You want one of those or no?
No, they got 4 doors.
Right, and the Rx8 is all clean again. There's a few little things here, but you know, that's just gonna be the way it is until I get a driveway, and then I'll probably fix up the car. But I'm probably not gonna repaint this again until, I mean, hopefully until I get the driveway, and not because, you know, someone else makes a big dent or something like that. But yeah, there's a bunch of little scratches here, and this thing's gotten worse. You wanna turn on the flashlight so they can see it?
Oh, for sure. Let me expose you right now.
Alright, so remember how when this was just a little hole, yeah, it's kind of like a massive hole right now. I could just touch the ground.
Terry, stop stretching that shit out.
Yeah, it's literally being held up by zip ties. You can see the zip ties right here. Oh shit, there goes your phone.
Thank God I got a good case.
Yeah, this is literally one of the zip ties holding it up. It's being held up by a couple more zip ties on that side as well, I think. Or maybe not, because I don't see it, but yeah. I gotta get rid of it. I know a lot of you guys in the comments said not to get rid of it because it does help with airflow. And someone else said when they put under tray on their car that didn't have it before, it dropped their coolant temperature by like almost 10 degrees, which is a pretty significant amount. So it makes me not want to just get rid of it, but at this point it's already pretty much destroyed, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna have to fabricate one. I know they make some online where it's just like a sheet of metal, but I just don't know if they'll fit with this bumper or its mounting points, because these mounting points aren't reaching the bumper. So I don't know if the ones that they sell online would work, or if I just need to custom make one that actually fits this bumper. So yeah, that's something I gotta decide on doing. Oh look, more cars pulling up. Alright, but yeah, the car is all washed now. It doesn't look matte red. It's actually glossy and shiny now. If I ever change the color of this car, what color do you think I should go with?
How much work it is to change the color of a car? You know, for
just
that,
eventually,
that's
right?
Rx8 money right there.
You know what? You're not wrong. But if I'm ever to wrap this car, I'll probably do like a candy red. I think that'll look nice.
I would stick with the car. The car looks nice.
Yeah. All right, let's get out of here. And we're back at a gas station. Alright, no cap though, under this light, right? The red looks really good. Like, it's actually really shiny and sparkly and all that, right? It's just until you get to the front that you see all the scratches and stuff like that. We'll treat the car right one day, eventually, when we get a driveway. Or garage, hopefully garage. Alright guys, just made it home. I actually got to park in the driveway today, so I don't have to street park the Rx8, which is great. So hopefully, you know, no new scratches will occur and no one will hit my car. That's not always a guarantee, because I've had things fly over that fence before and scratch up my car, but I don't think any other car is gonna be hitting me from here, unless it's just a really bad accident. So, you know, fingers crossed, hopefully that doesn't happen. With my luck, crazy things can happen. Like, a snowplow literally hit my car before. Like, how does that even happen, right? And I was literally street parked outside there. So a lot of things, I just have bad luck whenever it comes to parking my car. And speaking of which, I think someone's like blocking my driveway right now. I just saw, okay, never mind, he moved. Okay, I lost my train of thought. What was I even saying? Man, thank you guys so much, man, for joining me and my shenanigans, like with these late night drives. It's so much fun yesterday. If I didn't already mention it, this is not the same day where I put on the Olens of Jason. That's like yesterday, and man, that was my first car that I've ridden in where it had Olens. I don't think I recorded that part, but you know, Jason gave me a ride and with the Olens, and it just felt great. It felt amazing. I think Olens live up to like every bit of the hype that people are talking about online. I know like a lot of YouTubers and just, you know, people on Facebook or Reddit and stuff like that was always going on about Olens, how great they are, right? And I never got the chance to, you know, really see it until now. It felt really good. It definitely felt almost stockish. It's kind of scary how that felt, because it does have a dampening setting. I think it's like 20 clicks. We left it in the middle right now, so if he wanted to go stiffer, he could. If he wanted to go softer, he could. And right in the middle where it still felt amazing. It kind of feels almost as stiff as this car, I feel like right now. But it just had so much more grip. But I'm pretty sure that's just a S2000 thing. But that car is just crazy, man. That car is crazy. In fact, I had so much fun last night just driving through the back roads of Long Island. I really want to do it again. So we're going to try to coordinate something like that. But yeah, it's just so much fun. I think when the time comes for me to change out my coilovers, I was choosing between Fortune Auto or Olens, right? I still haven't gotten the chance to ride in a car with Fortune Autos yet, so hopefully I will get the opportunity eventually. But after riding in Jason's S2000, man, those coilovers just felt so godly. I think I'm gonna have to go with those when that time comes. But yeah, aside from that though, shit, I don't even know what else I want to do with the car next. There's a few things I gotta take care of before the big road trip in June. I want to get my AC working. I want to get that squeak sorted out, and the under tray, I want to get that sorted out as well. Still haven't decided 100% what I want to do with the under tray yet. I'm not gonna be just getting rid of it, and if I do, it would just be temporary. I do want to get an under tray on there, but the stock one doesn't fit with the aftermarket bumper I have. So it's really between having a shop like cut up a piece of aluminum and, you know, fabricate it for me, or buying a fabricated one online. My only concern with those is that I don't know if it will fit, because most of them are designed to fit with the OEM bumper. So yeah, I think the most expensive one though that you could buy online is probably only like $140, so it's not crazy, and I don't know how much a shop would cost to fabricate that for me. So I don't know. That's definitely something I gotta think about. I know you guys been recommending in the comment section below not to get rid of the under tray, so I'm not gonna be doing that. But let me know in the comment section if you think it'll be better to just have a shop fabricate one for me. I think that would be like the most, you know, fitment way to go, and it won't be messed up at all. Or if I should risk it and buy one online, because I don't know. I feel like that's probably gonna be cheaper. So yeah, and I don't know if I'm gonna keep this front bumper forever, so I don't want to keep buying, like, you know, I don't want to keep fabricating new under trays. But yeah, that's enough rambling from me for now. I'm so tired. I've been working all day today, and yeah, I'm about to go home and, you know, make myself a cup of tea or something and edit some videos and then go to sleep. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap up the video here. So thank you guys so much again for, you know, keeping up with my shenanigans, and I can't wait to, you know, keep driving with you guys. And yeah, until the next one, guys, remember to stay safe out there. The world's a crazy place, so you do your part to stay safe, right? And yeah, until the next video, peace, and hopefully I see some of you guys at the tail of the dragon when I go this summer. Yeah, peace.